Well, good morning. It's another beautiful day here in the Northern Territory. I have to say that the days that I've been here, every day I wake up and just look at the scenery around here and I'm just amazed. It's really a beautiful place to be. Got a lot of Ks that need to be done today, so we're going to get on the road as fast as we possibly can. We're going to head off this morning to the Alice Springs Telegraph Station and Historical Reserve. The area here is actually really fantastic. There's a large central area here which has got a really great cafe, and it's a really fantastic little place. It's really well organised and tons of paths, concrete paths around the place, so great access around. It's a really well signposted area and really easy to find your way around. The Telegraph station here also has a host of mountain biking trails and other trails that head off to different places in the area. I have to say overall, Alice Springs as a place is so well organised and really well organised for tourism. To find your way around here is a piece of cake, so it's been a real pleasure to be here. Well, this has been a great little area here and a great little surprise. You've got some walks here to the cemetery, you've got these historic buildings, you've got a massive park in the middle. It's almost like a little miniature botanic gardens. There's tons and tons of birds around the place here, all over the place, like right next to you on the path as you're walking along. It's really fantastic, and you've got these rock formations here that you can walk through just behind me on the cemetery walk. Fantastic little area, I love it. It's been a great little find. All right, we're going to continue and have a bit more of a look around the place. Another one of the huge surprises in this Telegraph historic area here is there's a lot of other trails here. Larapinta Trail, for example, goes to Simpson Gap. It's 23.7 kilometres. I noticed a lot of mountain bikers this morning were in here, and there's a mountain bike trail. So if you had a mountain bike and you're out here, you'd be able to do some fantastic rides, and the scenery here is just amazing. It's not too hilly, it's nice and flat, beautiful place to look at things. Heaps of birds around, heaps of wildlife around. It's been a really lovely area to come and check out. There's just so many trails around here, and there's loads of information. Just here at the entry you've got this large information section here letting you know about Larapinta Trail. There's about 6 different trails here. It's quite a lot to take in. And the trails that we explored this morning only just sort of took in around the historic building site. So it's been a really big surprise, this place. I've spent a couple of hours today here just wandering around, going through all the trails and checking all the places out around here. The walks here have been fantastic. I didn't really go on too many of the Larapinta Walk trails here that you see behind us here, but they're sort of longer walks, 2 kilometres up to about 7 kilometres. But really fantastic place in general. It's a great surprise to actually find the place. Really great area. Unfortunately, we don't have a lot of time to sort of go and check out this 23 kilometre trail or even any of the larger trails, but we've had a nice little wander around the cemetery trail this morning and also the trails that go up to the Telegraph historic building, so it's been nice to come and check those out. Really lovely area to come and check out in general. I definitely recommend if you're here to come and have a look at it. Fantastic place. Alright, well now that we've had some breakfast and a bit of a look around the historic precinct and the different walking trails here, we're going to get back on the road and head off for a very large part of the journey now, which is the Plenty Highway, heading over to Boulia. Let's get back on the road.